Hi, I'm Sarah from Joie's global product team, and today I'm talking all things safety and performance about Sprint, Joie's newest and most innovative infant carrier. I've been with Joie for 5 years, and this is my favorite car seat launch to date. Sprint is versatile, it's convenient, and it's easy to use by baby's whole entourage. In this video, I'll be talking about what Sprint is and how it works, and we'll also talk about how Sprint is designed to keep your baby safe in the event of a crash. Sprint is a one-of-a-kind integrated ISOFIX infant carrier, which means it gives you everything you need to safely transport your baby. No base or belt needed. When you're ready to travel with baby, release the ISOFIX connectors and pick one of 3 positions to allow Sprint to lay flat on your vehicle seat. Then lock the ISOFIX connectors into your vehicle's lower anchor points. When you're ready to remove Sprint from your vehicle, use one hand to release the ISOFIX adjustment button, pull back on Sprint, and then return the ISOFIX connectors into their original position. Sprint's built-in ISOFIX connectors make it a dream for families with 2 or more vehicles, families that live in the city and often take public transportation, and families that rely on the help of caregivers to watch their baby and want smoother handoffs between vehicles. Even though Sprint can be used entirely on its own without a base, parents who like the added features that often accompany a base can pair Sprint with our iBase Encore for an added 90-degree spin, making it easy to transition babies in and out of the vehicle. And because of this base pairing, Sprint is also a part of our Encore spinning system, which makes it easy and economical to transition your child out of their infant carrier and into their next stage toddler seat like iHarbor. But Sprint's charm doesn't stop with its integrated ISOFIX connectors. You'll also love its extendable canopy for extra privacy, a peekaboo window to keep an eye on baby, our IntelliFit memory foam for extra side impact protection, a lightweight shell for easier carrying, removable and washable infant inserts, our premium signature fabrics and leatherette detailing, and i-size certification when paired with compatible base. If you're thinking, is Sprint really as safe as other infant carriers that only install with a base? The short answer is yes, absolutely. And we're going to take a look at what makes Sprint so safe even without a base. There are a lot of factors that play into car seat safety, including choosing the right car seat for your child's height and weight, properly installing the car seat, making sure that the harness straps are at the proper position and tightness for your child, the quality of materials used in the car seat, and the overall design. Our engineers were meticulous when designing Sprint to make sure you, a parent of a newborn, have ultimate flexibility when you're out and about with baby without a base, but without compromising Sprint's ability to effectively withstand a crash. And to do that, they focused on managing our controllables in a worst-case scenario, which include reducing Sprint's overall mass and reducing its rotational energy. Here's how we did that. First, we designed Sprint's shell to be lightweight. It's about the weight of an average newborn, and we also reduced its max height usage. Many of our infant carriers can be used up to 85 centimeters, but we lowered Sprint's height usage to 75. This combination of a lightweight shell paired with limited usage keeps Sprint's overall mass low. When you have a small mass, that lowers the inertia in the event of a crash, and that makes Sprint's rotational energy easy for us to control. Next, Sprint's 3-position ISOFIX connectors securely latch Sprint to your vehicle seat and allow it to sit flush against the back and the bottom of your vehicle seat to reduce its overall movement in the event of a crash, and it allows it to rely on your vehicle seat as a point of absorption and stability. Speaking of stability, one misconception we often hear is infant carriers aren't safe if they're not installed on a base that has a load leg or a stability leg. And while it's true, stability legs do absorb those harmful crash forces, Sprint relies on your vehicle seat to be an anti-rotation device in the same way a base relies on a stability leg. In the event of a crash, Sprint presses down into your vehicle seat and the foam inside accumulates the crash forces and diffuses them away from your child, protecting their three most fragile body parts, the head, neck, and spine. All of the elements we discussed synergistically work together to create an environment that's protective and non-straining on your little one. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at how Sprint performs in a crash. Wherever you're going, whatever you're doing, or whoever's watching your little one, you can trust Sprint to keep them safe, whether it's a base or no base kind of a trip. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.